Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a custom car and I never thought Hotwheels would make one, but they did. And it's called a HIROHATA MERC. It's not actually a MERC, it's not a Mercedes, but it's based on an American car. I can't really remember, it might be a Caddy, but it's purely custom made car. It was really famous back then. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So, as I explained earlier, it's a custom car, and you can see the body lines. The roof has been lowered, the rear looks good, and white wall tires. So let's start from the front. There's this custom paint job, and it looks good on this one. Up front, you can see the chrome bumper, detailed headlamp, mirrors. Looks good. Got that big hood again. It looks good. Now coming to the driver's side, I like the design on it and how Hot Wheels has also tried to differentiate it, or imitate the actual car. Looks good. The bottom is dark green, the upper one is a lighter shade. As per details, you see this chrome bar going all over the side. Tiny windows because the roof has been lowered. Interior is done in chrome, which I highly doubt that the actual car did. But again, Hot Wheels has tried to mimic tried to grab as much as detail possible. With the rear panel too, you can see those hidden wheels. Coming to the back, you can see the place for the tail lamps, but they are not detailed. You got the big chrome bumper, the place for number plate too. Apart from that, I don't see any major details on the back. Coming on the passenger side, it looks almost identical. And this is how it looks from top and from bottom. So what do I think? It looks really nice, and it's really good that Hot Wheels did a casting of such a famous custom car. Yeah, that's all what I think. Thank you for watching. Have a good